We are at Bumi Festival, a festival of connection, of love, community, and sharing the message and the purpose with the world. Here with Lorelai, she has just performed with the Ancient Youth. They did an amazing performance. That's the whole reason we are here. I came to capture a bit of it. But besides that, we're just having a conversation about my gift and her gift, which her gift is obviously through her voice and her music, and my gift through my communication and showcasing things through video. And then this was the one festival this season that I wasn't going to shoot, but this inspired me to start something. So today's actually third day. First day was just arrival at the festival. Second day we just took it in, enjoyed, danced and had a lot of fun. And today we are just post-performance, also enjoying, about to go to a yoga class, and later for a jam session. And then Sam Garrett's performing tonight, which is a pretty good one. We're playing soccer with Sam Garrett yesterday, which was pretty fun because I really like his music and he's a very good person. He came and watched the Ancient Youth perform, and I'm sure he loved it, and hopefully he joins the jam. If he doesn't have a sound check, he said he would join the jam. So yeah, just blessed to be here with my partner, with love, and feeling love not just within each other, but the love from the land and the love from our neighbors.
Remember to give thanks to the land that you are on, that you are walking on, that you take from, and you will be rewarded.
Yoga was just amazing. You missed it. No, we didn't.
I mean, actually, I was there before you, and then I left.
Yoga session was amazing. And what are we about to do, Kat?
We're going to jam. We're gonna jam. We just told everyone we're gonna do a jam. We got singing bowls. It was amazing.
Mosquito Bar has just performed. Sam Garrett's next.
We feel fulfilled.
And I think I soaked in so much sun today. I'm feeling it too. All the sun.
Surrender to life, oh Namah Shivaya. So come, mothers, come, fathers. Yeah, come, my sisters and my brothers. I feel like guiding our way home. I see light, the essence of
Another day at Bumi. Last night was amazing with Sam Garrett, Mosquito Bar, and earlier in the day the Ancient Youth performed. Today is our last day. The festival goes to tomorrow, but it ends like midday tomorrow, so, and it's supposed to rain, so we're probably gonna leave tonight. We just got a coffee. We're gonna go for a forest walk, and our friends performing at the forest stage too, so if we can catch that, we're gonna catch that. Yeah, ready for another one.
What is this I'm feeling? Think it's called human. Do you have something for that? What is this I'm feeling? Think it's called human. 'Cause I'm about to cry.
Who's the artist?
That's me. I wanted the love of
and the beauty of the people here to be reflected in the art, and it brings people in. So I've had such beautiful conversations, and seeing what they see in the work is really cool. So they'll see things from their culture that I had no idea. So that's been really enriching for me personally, seeing that.
I love that. Thank you for bringing your beautiful contribution into this space.
It's been an honor. Thank you, Bumi.
It enhanced our campsite for sure.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Feel like I could die at any moment, but that feels good.
Are you speaking on what Sam Garrett said?
Yes.
Meditating on your own death every day actually
Mortality.
brings a lot of freedom.
It doesn't bring freedom, it just makes you like more grateful for every second, more aware of the magnitude of life.
What are we about to do?
We're about to go to the forest stage to find a DJ set where Vladdy and Bree are playing some music.
And it's a wrap on Bumi Festival.
We did it!
Yay! Thank you, Bumi, for having the ancient youth and Vinny and myself. Really grateful for the opportunity. It was amazing, and hope to come back next year for sure.